Online safety is ever evolving, which means children and young people need to be equipped with the knowledge and skills to navigate digital spaces safely and confidently. It's essential to make online safety a consistent part of learning, rather than something taught in isolation. While online safety is included in the national curriculum, it may not always be explored in enough depth or revisited frequently enough to keep pace with our rapidly changing digital world. Children and young people engage with digital spaces constantly, so revisiting and reinforcing these skills regularly as part of everyday learning helps make them more meaningful and effective. In today's connected world, online safety works best as a golden thread woven through school life rather than treated as a standalone topic. 2BeSafe is built directly on the guidance from the Education Through a Connected World framework. It's designed to help schools deliver online safety teaching that is relevant, consistent, and age appropriate. Each session is no longer than 15 to 20 minutes long and includes an optional activity that can be completed individually or as a class. Importantly, these sessions don't require children to use individual devices. They are designed to be taught from an interactive whiteboard, encouraging meaningful, discussion-based learning. 2BeSafe has been designed with time in mind. Sessions are often flexible enough to fit into your timetable in a variety of ways. Some teachers may choose to deliver a session at the start or end of a computing lesson, explore a session during RSE or PSHE, set aside a regular online safety teaching slot with sessions taught once a week or once a fortnight, use sessions at the beginning or end of the school day when appropriate, or use a lesson in response to an online safety incident, whether that be at home or at school, that needs an appropriate response. Every school is different, and we understand that time is precious. The key is to make the most of the time, whenever it is available, to deliver these important sessions when possible. Online safety is a shared responsibility that must be woven into every part of school life. Using 2BeSafe consistently ensures children and young people don't just learn about safety, they live it, building skills that will protect them now and in the future.